Hey YouTubers, Mark here, Mark of the Ninja. Today I just wanted to bring you a quick little review of a product that I've been using for well over a year now, and I think a lot of people would find it interesting and they would get good use of this product. I see a lot of people running things to charge a device, a cell phone or anything, and they run wires and all this other stuff, but for a very cheap price, for 20 bucks or so, you can get yourself an easy plug-in charger. With that being said, most people own a battery tender. So here I have an end for a battery tender. It has a quick connection on one end and a USB port on the other. This is what I use to charge my phone. These are about $10 to $12 on Amazon. I'll post a link for you guys. And then the other half that you need is about $5. This connects to the battery. It has a fuse in it. It's for your battery tender. In the winter when I store my bike, I take the battery tender, I plug it, I pull this out, plug the battery tender in here, voila. Charges my battery, keeps my battery charged, topped off. I can plug my phone in and put it back here in the trunk. I can run my phone cord out from underneath the seat and put my phone in my jacket pocket. Really, really nice. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Anybody that has a motorcycle should own a battery tender, and if you own a battery tender, you already have the plug. For $10 you have a phone charger. $15 if you have to pay shipping. They're hard to find in stores. I luckily found mine in a motorcycle shop close by. Got lucky there. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, comment, and share with your friends.